Did you know that over 70% of homebuyers prefer a minimalist aesthetic in their interiors? If you're one of them, have you ever considered the timeless elegance of Scandinavian design for your home? Today, we're diving into the world of Scandinavian-style interior design. This design trend, known for its simplicity, functionality, and beauty, has roots in the Nordic countries and has become a favorite worldwide. Whether you're planning a full Scandinavian makeover or just looking to add a touch of scandi decor to your space, understanding the core elements of this style can help you create a cozy, stylish, and practical home. Let's get started on our journey to discovering the secrets of Scandinavian interior design. First, start with core elements of Scandinavian design. A key characteristic of Scandinavian interior design is its color palette. Think whites, grays, and other muted tones. These colors not only make spaces look larger and brighter, but also create a calm and serene environment. Natural light plays a crucial role in enhancing these colors. Large windows and minimal window treatments are often used to let in as much natural light as possible, making the space feel airy and open. In Scandinavian design, natural materials are essential. Wood, especially light woods like birch and pine, is a staple. Leather, wool, and linen are also commonly used to add texture and warmth. These materials create a connection to nature, which is an important aspect of Nordic living. The use of various textures helps to add depth and interest to the simple color palette, making the space feel cozy and inviting. Scandinavian furniture design is known for its clean lines and minimalist approach. Every piece is designed with functionality in mind. Think sleek, modern pieces that are both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Iconic pieces like mid-century modern chairs and simple, streamlined storage solutions are perfect examples of scandi furniture. The focus is on quality over quantity, with each piece serving a purpose without overcrowding the space. Now, practical tips and ideas for Scandinavian home. Decorating tips. Creating a Scandinavian-style home starts with decluttering. A clutter-free space is essential for achieving the clean, minimalist look that defines this design style. Opt for functional decor items that serve a purpose. For example, choose storage solutions that are both practical and stylish. Keep surfaces clear and make use of smart storage options to maintain an organized space. Room-by-room guide. To apply Scandinavian design throughout your home, consider these room-specific ideas. Incorporate cozy textiles for living room like wool throws and sheepskin rugs. Choose functional furniture with clean lines and avoid unnecessary decor. For bedroom, focus on comfort with high-quality linens in neutral tones. Use simple, minimalist furniture to create a serene and restful environment. Scandi kitchen design with efficiency in mind. Use clean lines and sleek storage solutions to keep the space uncluttered. Natural materials like wood and stone can add warmth and texture. Incorporating rustic elements. To add a rustic touch to your Scandinavian interior, blend in natural wood elements and earthy tones. Consider using reclaimed wood for furniture or accents and incorporate natural fibers like jute and sisal. This combination of rustic and minimalist elements creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere, enhancing the overall warmth of your home. At the end, we talk about inspiration and examples for Scandinavian interior design. Scandinavian home tours. For inspiration, look at Scandinavian house tours and apartment tours. These tours showcase real-life examples of how to implement Scandi design principles effectively. You'll see a variety of spaces, from small apartments to larger homes, all beautifully styled with Scandinavian decor. Scandinavian design secrets. Achieving an authentic Scandinavian look involves understanding the secrets of Scandi style. One key aspect is the balance between form and function. Every item should have a purpose, and the overall design should make the space feel harmonious and balanced. Incorporate plenty of natural light, keep the color palette soft and neutral, and use natural materials to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. To recap, Scandinavian-style interior design is all about simplicity, functionality, and beauty. By focusing on a neutral color palette, natural materials, and minimalist furniture, you can create a cozy and stylish home. Whether you're redecorating an entire house or just a single room, these tips and ideas can help you achieve the timeless elegance of Scandi decor. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interior design tips and inspiration.